Students, our next topic is Chomsky normal form, that is CNF. If CFG has production of the form, that is, first form is whenever a non-terminal defines string of exactly two non-terminals, that is A determines B, C. This is a non-terminal and it also determines two non-terminals, exactly two. And if a non-terminal can describes one terminal, that is, this A determines small a represented by terminal symbol, and this capital A is represented by non-terminal, then it is said to be a CNF. Now let us take an example to convert a CFG into a CNF. This is the given productions. That is, S determines 1A and 0B. We can write it as S determine 1A and S determine 0B. Similarly, we can write it as A determines 1AA, 0S and 0. We can write it as this: A determines 1AA, A determines 0S and A determines 0. Similarly, we can write this for this production. We can determine by this which productions are already in a CNF, that is, A determines 0, a non-terminal determines exactly one terminal, it is already in a CNF form. This is also in a CNF form, which does not require any conversion. Now, to convert this into a CNF form, we can do this, that S determines 1A, we can write it as S determines C1A, where we can replace C1 determines 1. Here, this non-terminal determines exactly two non-terminals and this non-terminal determines exactly one terminal. In this way, we can convert a CFG into a CNF. Let us take one more example. S determines 0B, then S determines C0 B, where C0 determines 0. Similarly, this non-terminal determines exactly two non-terminals and this non-terminal exactly determines one terminal. This is the required CNF form.